Nice day we're having, isn't it?
Uh-huh. There's a lot of people here.
Hey, have you ever heard of the zombie headhunter?
No.
Well, he roams around here at night. Better watch out.
I don't believe in that stuff.
Yeah. When you're just like sitting in the middle of the town, just standing there, he rips off your head when you're not even looking.
Yeah.
I know. Oh, look at that car.
I like that song.
That's a good tune, man. Well, I'm gonna go home. You coming?
No, I'm gonna listen to this.
Okay, bye.
Oh, yeah. I wonder who sings this. Ooh. Uh-oh. Ah! The zombie headhunter! Dude, I ain't no zombie. Give me your money. Oh, I wonder how much money I got. The zombie headhunter. Oh, I'm getting out of here. This dog. Ah!
Stop, dog! Stupid dog.